Hello friends, I've here a new awesome project. I think we can call it object detector. Okay, so guys, for this build we need a 0 PCB. Okay, 0 PCB, a 16 pins IC socket. The next thing we need is a 2 mega ohm potentiometer, this one. So I'm gonna head and this time is a 47 kilo ohm potentiometer. Sorry. Right then, I'm just gonna to connect the middle pin of the 2 mega potentiometer with pin 2 of the IC. Okay, pin 2 of the IC. One of the outer pins of the 2 mega potentiometer is going to pin 11. Okay, pin 11, one of the outer pins. That's the instruction. Now I think the last outer pin of the same part goes to pin 4. You're gonna see the instruction in no time. So 2 mega ohm, the other outer pin, okay, to pin 4 of the IC. The IC here is LM325, like that. For this build, we need to connect the pin 3 with the middle pin of the 47 k ohm potentiometer, like so. Okay guys, now one of the outer pins of the same part, that's 47, is going to pin 11. Pin 11 of the LM324, like so. If you want that thing to work, you need a infrared receiver. Okay, that's the photodiode. You're gonna see what I'm talking about in no time. That one here, okay, photodiode. Okay guys, now the negative pin of that thing is going to pin 3, and the positive pin of that thing to pin 4 of the IC, of course. I'm talking about the photodiode. Okay guys, don't forget it. Pick a 12 volt LED, okay, minus to pin 1 and plus to pin 4. Okay, pin 4 is the output. We have to have this guy here, okay guys, 670 resistor, okay, to limit the current. We need the infrared transmitter, okay. Plus is going to resistor and the minus to ground. Okay, we move forward, okay, like so. Now guys, guess what? The power supply is 12 volt. Yes, You did great. And the ground is the ground. I'm just kidding. Okay, I think it's almost done. If you don't like problems, please ground to pin 11. Now the VCC is pin 4, okay, 12 volts. That's the brain of our project. We're going to go ahead. Okay guys, it's done. And now we power the secret 12 volt. Okay guys, pay attention. Okay, now we that's the diagram. Okay, it's working. That's great. Wow, that's amazing. That's why I'm going to subscribe right now to this channel.